Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Juan here at Up With the Sun. Today we're going to go ahead and look at something pretty interesting that I got in the mail, and it is a gentleman's box. This is a subscription box that you can get at Cratejoy, I believe. This was $29. So you can go ahead and check it out. I'll put their information down below. In here I expect to see a couple of items like some fashion accessories and whatnot. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have. As you can see here, the box actually came a little dinged, but they have this tab here that you can just rip through, and that was awful. They never make these easy. There we go. Finally muscled through that thing. So once you remove the tab, you open it up and this is what you see. So essentially what's on the inside here is, as you lift it, is just their social media links. So yeah, and then it has this card here and it says how to be a true gentleman. So look good in luxury, take pride and showcase your taste for exquisite style. Feel good, satisfy your need to feel happy and be confident in your sense of fashion. Be good. Discover yourself as a true gentleman, keeping courteous, honorable, and well-mannered. Those are good tenets to try to follow. Today we have a lot of people that completely disregard respect for others, and I think if we want to really make a difference, then we have to lead by example. So I'm really excited to see what's in this box. Let's go ahead and look. So first thing I'm pulling out is, looks like to be this little booklet. It will tell you all of the items that we have listed in the box listed. So I'm gonna save that for the end. It's pretty cool. I love all these retro looking colors together in this kaleidoscope design, and it says Daydreamer. Okay, so also in the box you get a couple of rando stuff. Like there's this little promo card for things you can say to Alexa. Oh wow. And then this is I'm sorry, I was just looking at this because it's a gift card from Vincero watches, and I'm sure on YouTube or you've seen ads for Vincero watches. I know I've heard about them, especially on like the radio. Sometimes people who listens to radio, but but yeah, cool. Oh, this is expiring in July, so I need to use this. So this is a $50 gift card on any watch order over 100. That's awesome. It's a necktie bar. So in this design, it's like a ruler. Just pretty cool. Focus you. Okay. Yeah. I do like bar ties. I think they are a very simple way to kind of amplify your look and kind of be very playful. At the same time, you don't have to really work too hard. It's very subtle. So this is from a brand called Mr. Lapel. One is never overdressed. It's their little byline. So just a better look that is a ruler, and then on the back, as you can see, is the clip, so super easy to apply. Pick your favorite tie and then you go ham. Next item I'm going to pull out is this tie. So what I love about this box is that you get accessories essentially that will amplify your outfit. So let's say you have a nice light blue shirt or a navy shirt or a white shirt. You can pair this with good ties. You can have a million different outfits, so you can style them however you want. But this is just a basic tie, nothing too special. It's made by Ainsley and Trope, or Troop, I don't know if I'm saying that right. So you just go ahead and take it, and then let's see here. So I didn't really know how to tie a tie for the longest time. My dad always actually tied my tie for me when I was going like school dances and whatnot, or for other events. And then my friend, shout out to my friend Nelson, is a Marine, former coworker, and he actually taught me how to do a Windsor knot. And this is not the best one because I'm just kind of speeding this up for the process, but take it right there. Not wearing the right shirt, but yeah, I really like it. I love the navy and the gold lining through it, so this will be a good addition to my tie collection. There is a color story that is happening here, and it is more of the navy. Now this is a pocket handkerchief, and it's really cute. It has all these little birds flying on it. Side you have the gold, so you have the navy and then you have the gold, and that tie was blue and gold accents as well. This is really cool. You know, you just take them, you fold them, and then you stuff them. I didn't know my shirt was gonna come in handy today. You know, you just do something like that, right? And it just adds a nice pop of color to any wardrobe. And you just put it in like that. So very nice. I like it. Sometimes, you know, you gotta sneeze, and this is something people use to do that. I personally wouldn't do that, but you can do that if you'd like. Next we have is this wonderful pair of socks. Again, staying with the same color scheme with the navy and gold. I feel like this is like a Ravenclaw box. Y'all feel me? Do y'all know what I'm talking about? If you're a Harry Potter fan, please comment down below which is your house. I didn't know that this video was gonna bring that out, but let's see here. Oh my gosh. So I really love these little buttons on here. I think that is so random, but I didn't think I'd like that element as much. So it just has the button on one end, and I think this is functional because oh my gosh, this is cool. I didn't think anyone, like, I'm surprised. So you know how you always lose your pair of socks, you know, and you're just like, I can't keep them together. This button goes into the next, this little slot here, and then you can put the button through, and now your socks are paired together. See that? Oh my gosh, that is insane. I've never seen that before. I don't know, I'm just totally late to the game, but that is so freaking witty. These are cute. I love them. They feel really soft too, and I bet they'll be really good to walk in. My gosh, I didn't think I was gonna get so so excited over a pair of socks, but this little function here of the button, like, that's genius. It's like, okay, I don't want socks unless they do that. Last but not least in this box, we have something that I actually almost went to the store to get recently because it's starting to get sunny here in Southern California. Summer is upon us very soon, so here we are. The brand is called Alessi, and it is a pair of sunglasses, or sunnies if you're from Australia. So I'm a huge fan of sunglasses. I think that's very important to protect the skin around your eyes, because if you're aging, the eyes will let you know. By the bags, by the crow's feet, they'll let you know. So you should always try to wear a good moisturizer and SPF when you're going out. That way your skin doesn't age sooner than you want it to. So these are a nice greenish lens here with a gold frame and just a plain black ear loop thing. I don't know what that's called, but anyhow, so let's see. They're a little, I like them. I just need to adjust. Here we go. So they can lay flatter. Okay. So now I can sit back out in the patio and pretend that I just don't care and just look about and just be like, can I help you? Yeah, these are great. They're smaller around the lens than I'm usually used to, but they'll make a great substitute until I find. I prefer aviators, like true aviators, not just to be a Top Gun enthusiast, but I just think that for a person who has a round face like myself, like the aviators sit really nicely on my cheeks. These make me look like, what's that one guy? Mr. Eggman from Sonic. But however, I mean, like I said, it's a great substitute. So I'm really excited to go ahead and just wear these until I find a pair that I really enjoy. With every box, it does come with this little brochure, and inside it kind of highlights something specific, the theme of the box. Like this is gentleman's tip on the back, says gentleman's tip number 91. Life is what happens to you while you're busy making other plans. Now that is a very old saying. So as far as life is concerned, you know, you only have one life to live, so you gotta make the most of it. And okay, so they're honoring John Lennon with this theme of this box. Peace is not something you wish for, it's something you make and something you do, something you are, and something you give away. That is a quote from John Lennon. So, so the tie costs $35 or retails for $35 from Ainsley and Troop. The pocket square from Trends Co. retails for $19. The sunglasses from Alessi Eyewear retail for $30. And the tie clip from Mr. Lapel retails at $15. Also, the socks from Barnaby retail for $15. So that's a great value. Going forward, the box was only $29, and I already made that with the sunglasses alone for $30. So everything else is just an added value on top of that. Do I think it's worth the $29? Yes. I would say it's definitely worth it because I used to work at Macy's, I used to work in retail, and you definitely see the markups. I don't know that retail prices are not fully reflective of how much they truly cost them to create the product. So that bar tie was $15, but it probably was made for $5. But they have to think about the labor and the shipment and all those costs combined. So that's probably a huge factor in how they create the markups for the retail. Fashion accessories aren't cheap. They will cost you a lot of money unless you are looking for good deals, good discounts, excuse me. And I think this box is a really good bang for your buck because how many items you'll get just for $29. Like I said, those sunglasses alone were retailing for $30, and that already was just the one price of the box. Then you had another $30 between the tie clip and the socks themselves for $15 as well. So that's already $60 there. So all in all, it's great. It's worth your time. The color schemes are perfect. I love the blue. I love the gold. They definitely came together as a good collective. I love the theming. Like, it makes more sense why it has this retro when they said that the honoree is John Lennon. Even the back of this brochure, they have a page here dedicated to John Lennon and some of the quotes that he said going forward. They also feature a member of the subscription box and kind of gives them a nice profile. And then they also talk about their exclusives that they have. They have a quarterly box that's around $100, and that is like a bigger box, and I might get that in the future to show you guys. but they definitely, given all the items I just witnessed today, definitely really good. They also have an Instagram page of showing people wearing their items from this box. That was a really good box. I'm really impressed. It's been sitting here for a while. I just got my next box renewed, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what that looks like. Please comment down below what your favorite item is. If I had to choose a favorite, it would be these socks, just for the inventiveness of the button to connect the two. I don't know why that just blows my mind, but I love that. I think that was such a good detail. So the socks and the sunglasses, even though I don't think they're like the perfect style for me, I still think that given that these are retailing for $30, this right here alone was the box. And so everything else was just a bonus on top of that. I mean, look at this color scheme. Please comment down below what your favorite item was. I will put down again all the information on about this box and how you can start adding this subscription service to your life. I think it's great if you hate going out shopping, if you have no idea what colors go together, if you are just someone that abhors the idea of fashion and going through the process of trying to look good, get this box. You won't be disappointed. So stay safe, tell someone that you love them, because tomorrow's never promised, and I will see you all next time. Thank you so much. Bye.